Have you ever felt?
Are you listening? Damn.
Friends, you are now seeing a lots of betta here. You can see here I have a roast tail. I think it's a roast tail betta, and here you can see a lots of betta here in a one-time glass. Yeah, it's also a roast tail, but blue and white mixed, and maximum here are blue, red. You can see here galaxy koi, long tail, and roast tail, and many other bettas here. Friends, you are seeing a friends of mine who are culturing and also breeding betta and microwrom and other fish, but he is a genuine betta lover. So you can see here lots of betta. I am here for visiting his farm. All the cup contains one betta and a little stream of denja. Now I am going to visit outside. Okay, you can see here a lots of betta female here. He put all the females in a in together. When they are ready for breeding, he shepherd them. These are galaxy koi fry, and these are female. These are betta female. All are blue. You can see the red bucket. Those are fry. These are fry, betta fry. And here I have some these are roast tail fry. Their age minimum 1 month. We can see the setup for female. These are only setup. Indoor house, the one time glass contains only female, and these ones are fry and female. We can see the setups. These are water, almond leaf water for bettas. It's good for bettas health. Here I have some only few little guppies or blue platy. You can see the plant. I have also some little visitor here. They are also come for visit the Betta farm. Okay, these ones are also bettas fry. I am really amazed that too many bettas, and these ones are also male. Bettas male, but these ones are adults, so he separated here for breeding. You can see a super red roast tail. Here a galaxy koi, roast tail, long tail, many other bettas. I am so amazed. Too many bettas. I can't imagine how long how these bettas breeding. Now take a look his farm.
Have you ever felt?
Are you listening?